children, once again welcome to all 7th grade students, right? So until then you have learned fractions. Okay, what is a fraction? Fraction is a number representing a part or whole, that may be a single object or group of objects. And how to add the fractions? Suppose 1 by 2 is a fraction. The above the line is called the numerator and below the line is called the denominator. And see here 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Two proper fractions, how to add? First of all check the denominators. If the denominators are same, we can directly add these two fractions and the LCM of the 2 and 2 is 2 and add the numerators. So you will get 2 by 2. It is very easy. Suppose if the denominators are different, can you say that how to add? Very good. First of all, find the LCM of 4 and 5. After that, you multiply the numerator and denominator by the LCM. Not only that, in subtraction also, we will follow the same procedure. And you have learned what are the equivalent fractions. 1 by 2 equivalent fractions means you multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. Then you will get 2 by 4. So suppose if 3, you will get 3 by 6, 4 by 8. That means 1 by 2, these all are the equivalent fractions. That means equal fraction being equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so how to find the equivalent fractions, how to convert into simplest form. And you will learn the multiplication of fractions. That is 1 by 5 into 2 by 3. How to multiply these two fractions? So multiply only the numerators and the numerator. That is 2 by 5 3s are 15. Suppose if the 4 by 3 and 3 by 5 is there. So if is it possible to cancel, you can cancel only the numerator and denominator. Don't cancel the numerator value. Here possible to cancel, that is numerator, denominator. The remaining is the 4 by 5 is the fraction. So this is the multiplication of fractions, the multiplication of a whole number also. That is 4 4s are 16 by 3. Not only that, in the division also you divided. How to divide the whole number by a fraction? That is 4 into the reciprocal of 1 by 2, 2 by 1, you will get 8 by 1. Similarly, 1 by 2 divided by 3, whole number. So how the procedure? The reciprocal of 3, that is 1 by 3, you will get 1 by 6 and the mixed fractions also. So these all are you learned in the fractions part. Now the second part, that is decimals. Already in the previous classes, that means in the 6th class onwards, you are learning what are the decimals, decimal numbers. Okay, once again we recall about the decimals. Here see 1 by 10 is there. How to write, how to show this one pictorially? First of all, we divide the one whole part into how many equal parts? 10 equal parts. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 parts. 1 denotes the numerator. That means 1 says that the numerator tells us one part we have to share. Then only we can write it as 1 by 10. Suppose, right, so here 3 by 10, how we divide, how to represent this one? That means 3 parts we have to share. 3 parts, that is 3 by 1. Suppose 7 by 10, how to show this one? 7 parts we have to share. Right, 7 by 10, 7 by 10. Okay, the suppose now 8 by 10 is, how to show this one? You may share 8 parts. That means the numerator tells us the number of parts taken. That is 8 among the 10 parts. Then it represents 8 by 10. Okay, in the, see, when we move one digit to the right side, then the place value becomes 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is nothing but 1/10. 1/10. 1/10. 1/10 means it is equal to 0.1. See here, whole numbers and the decimals. Here 2.7. 2.7 is a which type of number? It is a decimal number. How means here this point represents the decimal point. This is a decimal point. This decimal point is separated into two parts. One is the decimal point after the part is the decimal part, and the point before that is the whole number part. That is 2 whole number part. Okay now? So when we move one digit to the right side of the decimal point, when we move one digit to right side, the place value becomes yes 10th. Now tell me, 7 place value is what? The place value is 10th, that is 7/10. 7/10. I will explain this one by using the place value table. I will show that how we write the decimal numbers and how to find the place values of the decimal numbers. See here. So the right side, the decimal numbers having the yes whole number part and the decimal part. The left side is the ones, tens, hundreds, and here 1000. Okay, and next you may write there, and after that when we move one digit to the right side, so the place value become 10th, 100th, and the thousands. So ones means into 1 tens, 10, hundreds, 100,000, 1000. Right. 10th means 1/10. 100th 1/100. 1000th 1/1000. Okay. 253.356. So using this decimal number, now tell me what is the place value of 3 here. The place value of 3 is very good 1 ones, and the place value of 5 tens, and the place value of 2 hundreds. Okay now, decimal point started after the decimal point right side, the place value become 10th. The place value of 3 is 10th, and the place value of 5 100th, and the 6th 1000th. How can we write this one? The decimal number is decimal number. How to write the decimal number here? 253. So there 10th means the decimal part started here, that is 356. Okay, suppose 2674210 is there. How to write the decimal number? Here we may write here 2674.210. Why here 0.210 means when we move one digit to the right, the place value become 10th. 2/10 is nothing but 0.2. Okay, the place value of 2 is 2/10, 10th, and the place value of 1 100th, and 0 1000th. Okay, suppose if the decimal part before decimal point before there is no whole number part, how we may write there? We can use 0. Okay, we may write here 0.1. Okay now, right. 4/5. How to write this one? 4/5. Okay, right. 5/10. 5/10. 10th. Okay, this place values we have to remember. Okay, this is the place value chart for the decimal numbers. Okay, copy this one, children. Okay, so up to now you have seen how to write the decimal numbers, using a place value chart, and how to write this one, how to expand the decimal numbers. See, 257.643. Always remember the decimal point after you have to read single digits. So 0.643. Don't write okay at a time the 643. Don't read like that. Decimal point after you have to read single digit, that is 6, 4, 3. Like that only you have to read. Expansion of this decimal number. First of all, you have to give the place values of this number. The whole number part here. The place value of 7 is what? Ones. 5 tens. 2 hundreds. Decimal point after. Okay. The one digit move to the right side. The place value becomes a tenth. Here it is the tenth. And it is hundredth. And thousandth. Okay, now right here you have to start the expansion from left side to right here. The place value of 2 is 100 plus, okay, right, the place value of 5 is 10, that is 5 into 10. The place value of 7 is 1 plus place value of 6 is 10th, that means 6 into 1 by 10. After that 4 place value is 100th. 100th means 1 into 1 by 100. Place value of 3 is 1000 years. So that is 3 into 1 by thousands. Right. This is the expansion form. Okay. So this place value chart you have to remember. The right side of the decimal part, the place values are 10th, 100th, 1000th. Okay. You have to remember. And how to add the decimal numbers also I explain to you. How to add whole numbers, you know that. How to add, suppose 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Right? The decimal numbers 0.2 and 0.3. How to add this? 0.2 plus 0.3. So first of all, so according to the place values, you have to write here the place values once. Here, right here 0.2, 0.3. The place value here 10th, here ones. Okay, as it is according to the place values, you write the digits. 2 plus 3, 5.0. Suppose 2.03 plus 0.5 is there. How to add? So, first of all, you write the decimal number 2.03. Give the place values ones, tenth, hundredth. Here 0.5. 0. Right side the place value only tenth part given. There is no hundredth. So at that time what you have to do, you can add 0. If you add 0, there is no change of value. Okay, you may add there. Right. Now it is easy to add 3 plus 0, 3, 0 plus 5, 5.2. Okay, suppose 0.02 and only they will they given here 0.1. How to add to the decimal point left side? There is no whole number part. There what did I say to you? Add 0. Then 0.1. Here there is no 100 place. So then you add 0. 0.12. Okay. So these all are you are going to learn in the exercise problems. Okay, right children? This is the addition and you may learn and how to subtract the decimal numbers, multiplication and division of decimal numbers. Everything you are going to learn in this decimals part. Okay, now as to how we solved addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions in the fractions, as it is same operations we are applying in the decimals part also, right? And the conversions also there. How we convert? For example, 1 rupee is equal to how many pies? How many pies? How many pies? No? 100 pies is equal to 1 rupee. Okay, 1 pies is equal to how many rupees? At that time you have to write 1 by 100. 1 by 100. Suppose 25 pies are there. So 25 pies is equal to how many rupees? Means 25 by 100. So what is the decimal of 25 by 100? That is 0.25. Okay, here 100th part. That means the place value of 5 should be 100th, and 2 is the 10th, and the decimal point before 0. This is the decimal conversions. Many conversions are there: meters to centimeters, kilometers, liters, milliliters, kgs to grams. These all are you are going to learn in the exercise problems, right? Okay. Now keep heading based on this idea. We will solve exercise problems. So that is exercise 2.5. Keep heading in your notebook. First one, which is greater? Which is greater? Which is greater? See here, 0 and 5 is there. Which one is greater? Obviously 0 less than 5. That means 5 is greater than 0. Okay. In the number line, I explained to you 0.1 and 0.2. Which one is greater? So let us see 0. Okay, here 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 and so on. Here 1 is there. 0 and 1 between 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. The scale is divided into 10 parts. Right. Here see the 0.1 and 0.2. Which one is greater? 0.1 after 0.2 is coming. That means comparing to 0.1 to 0.2, which one is greater? 0.2 is greater. 0.2 is greater. Right. Okay. So like that, here given the first one, see 0.5 or 0.05. 0.5 or 0.05. Which one is greater? Here see the place values. So after the decimal part 10th, and the place values of here second decimal number 100th part given. How can you say that which one is greater? Here see 0.5. Okay, simply we can say that by using the number line we can say that 0.5 is greater than the 0.05. So now not only that, I explained to you how to show this one which is greater. I will explain them. 0.5 we can write here 5 by 10. Yes or no? The place value of 5 is 10th. That means 1 by 10. 5 place value is 5 by 10. Right. 0.05. Place value of 5 is 100th. That means 5 by 100. Now 5 by 10, 5 by 100. 5 by 10, 5 by 100. Okay. 5 by 10, 5 by 100. Right here. See here, I already said to you, compare the denominators here. 10 or 100. For that, simply we have to find the LCM, that is 10 ones, 10 tens. Again, 10 ones. 10 into 10, 100. Okay? So that is 10 tens are 100. So by finding the equivalent fractions, 100 how you will get? By multiplying the numerator and denominator by 10. That is 5 into 10, 50 by 100. Here 5 by 100. So already we have the denominator 100. Just simply multiply by 1. 5 by 100. Now compare 50 by 100 or 5 by 100. Okay. Now it is easy to compare now. So the denominators are same. Only the step is we have to check the numerators. 50 and 5. 55. Which one is greater? 50 is greater. That means 50 by 100 is greater than 5 by 100. 50 by 100 is what? 0.5 is greater than 0.05. Is it clear, children? Right, copy that. Right. Second one is what? In the first question, 0.7 or 0.5. Directly we can say that by using the number line. Very good. So that is 0 after 0.1, 0.2, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9 after what? 1. Here see 0.7, 0.5. Which one is greater? 0.5 after 0.7. That means 0.7 is greater. So by using the number line we can say that directly 0.7 is greater than the 0.5. But we can solve this one by step. 0.7 we write here 7 by 10 or 0.5. The place value of 5 is 10th. That means 5 by 10. Okay, right. Now both the denominators are same. Yes, first to decimal number to fraction I have converted. So after when we are going to comparing the two decimal numbers or two fractions, check the denominators. Denominators of these two fractions have the same. Then what is the next step? Compare the numerators. 7 and 5. Which is greater? 7 is greater. That means 7 by 10 is greater than 5 by 10. Therefore 0.7 is greater than 0.5. Very good. Similarly, third one see, that is 7 or 0.7. Directly you say 7 or 0.7 is greater. 7 is greater. Whole number is greater than the decimal number. Right. Okay. 7 is greater than 7 by 10. Okay now? Right. Right, next 1.37 or 1.49. 1.37 or 1.4. 1.3 here, 1.4. First check the 10th place. Here all parts are same. Okay, come to the 10th place. Here 10th place value of 3 is 10th. 10th place is see here 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Which one is greater? 4 is greater, 3 is less than. That means 1.37 is less than 1.49. Or you can apply this procedure. This decimal number you write in the fraction form. After that, check the denominators, find the equivalent fractions. You may finally compare the numerators, then which is greater, which is lesser. Is it clear? Right. In this exercise, I am giving to you homework 2.5. In the first question, 5 and 6, you have to do yourself. Okay, children. Now, take your textbook, page number 46. Page number 46. The table is there. Fill the table. Fill the place value table. That is this one in the textbook. This table you have to fill, right? Okay, so this is your introduction about the decimal part. Solve these problems neatly and post to the Google form. Until then, bye students.